Ballet foot positions with Jacklyn Dougherty. There are 5 positions of feet, and all movements begin and end or passes through one of these positions. In all positions, the knees are straight and the legs are turned outwards from the hips. Weight is evenly placed on each foot. First position, heels touch. The aim is to make a straight line with the feet. Second position, heels about 2 inches apart, weight evenly on each foot. Third position, feet are touching, heels of the right foot in front of the hollow of the left foot. Fourth position, opposite first, right foot about 10 inches front of the left foot, with heels in line with each other. Fourth position, right foot about 10 inches in front of left foot, with heel in line with the toes. Fifth position, feet touching, heels of the right foot in front of the left toe.